Okay guys, welcome back. Here's a quick update from the studio. This is the Alabama Fall Armyworm Tracker. We'll post a link down below in the description, or you can also go here, what is shown here on the screen. As you can see, the counties here in light blue have 1 to 5 confirmed reports. The ones in green have no, and up here Marshall County has more than 6. This was on August 18th. They just posted the updated tracker, which you can see Marshall is still blue, and you can see the increase in the light blue counties. And about 5 or 6 have converted from green to light blue. So the armyworms are spreading. We'll continue to keep you updated, keep your lawn safe. Got to check daily for these little suckers munching on your grass. We'll talk about how to treat that here shortly so that you can be protected and keep that lawn looking nice. Like and subscribe for more. Comment as well. Thanks. Bye.